So today we're going to transplant some of the mint that I have here. I just took clippings off of my sister's mint plants and put them in water, and now you can see the big roots on them here, and this means that they are ready to be planted in some soil. So stay tuned and watch all the way till the end for a life hack on how to regrow anything in a water bottle. Alright, here's the life hack that I promised. I have my mint clippings here from my sister's plant in a water bottle with water and a plastic straw. And if you blow on the plastic straw, you can mimic a hydroponic environment and it'll help your roots grow quicker. You don't have to do it all the time, you can just do it as you walk by or a couple times a day, but it'll help your roots grow quicker and you'll be able to transplant them sooner.